Experiencing problems with your ALDI Mobile SIM card? Let's troubleshoot. ALDI Mobile operates on Verizon and AT&T networks, so SIM issues can arise from activation failures, network connectivity, or SIM card recognition. First, ensure your phone is compatible and unlocked. Check ALDI's website for a compatibility list. When activating, use the ALDI Mobile app and verify the SIM is correctly inserted, matching your phone's IMEI. If the SIM isn't recognized, restart your device and double-check the APN settings, wholesale for Verizon and TF data for AT&T. A recent update includes a SIM Assist feature in the app using QR codes for faster activation. If problems persist, network congestion might be the culprit. Try again during off-peak hours or contact ALDI support, which now offers improved response times via chat and app. If you've entered the wrong PIN 3 times, your SIM will lock, requiring a PUK or personal unblocking key. You can now retrieve your PUK via ALDI's new online portal, eliminating wait times on support calls. Enter the PUK on your device to unlock the SIM. If you fail the PUK entry, the SIM is permanently disabled and needs replacement. Contact ALDI support for a new SIM card. For SIM tray issues, modern phones require an ejector tool. Insert the SIM correctly with the gold contacts facing up and the notch aligned. Avoid forcing the tray. Dust can cause problems, so carefully clean the tray with compressed air. If your SIM tray is bent or damaged, it may need professional repair. Remember, eSIM is increasingly available with ALDI Mobile, potentially eliminating SIM card issues altogether. Check for eSIM compatibility to see if you can use this feature instead of a physical SIM card. For further assistance, contact ALDI support at 1-855-888-8080.